Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Asteria hair, and as you can see, I'm super excited about this one because I know it is a Vpart wig. So this is my first time opening up the packaging, and I just want to start off by showing you all everything that came with this unit. So it comes in that little bag that I showed you all, and then this is everything that came in the packaging as well. So this unit, like I said, is a Vpart 180% density, 22 inches. So like I'm showing you the Vpart. Now Vpart and U-part wigs are my absolute favorite because they give like a quick, fast sewing type of look or quick weave, and I absolutely love them. They are my go-to for like if I'm in between styles and I'm not trying to really touch my hair. I just have a leave out that's already straightened. Like this is an old silk press that I've let go on and on. It's time for me to do a shampoo, but these Vpart and U-part wigs literally save me when I'm being lazy. So I'm putting this one on for you guys straight out of the packaging. So I didn't do anything to this unit but put it on my head. This hair is very, very quality. I have no complaints at all. I am going to end up flat ironing the hair just a little bit, but honestly, you could literally put this on your head and go. Very, very nice, super amazing quality. Like I said, as you guys can see, just look at that. And it lays super flat. I just love Vpart wigs, and I really love a Vpart unit from Asteria. So check them out. I do have all of the links in the description box below if you would like to, check this unit out, or just go to their website, see a little bit more about them. Definitely would recommend. I never have an issue. So yeah, I'm just going to do a very simple install. I was having a little trouble putting it on, as you guys can see, but it's really not trouble. I'm just trying to see like which position makes it lay the flattest. Like, do I want to clip it closer to my leave out or further away? You just got to play around with it a little bit. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are enjoying. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, of course. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next video.